network is busy. Please try again. The network is busy. Please try again. Let's start today's patrol.
Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a purple vest, black pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome. What happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Quo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. Dad, you're awesome! No problem. Leave it to me. Ah, you found my purse. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's my duty. Officer Kiki, mission accomplished.
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The car is almost out of gas. Fill it up. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Slide the car to drive it out of the parking lot. Try it in the direction of the arrow. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out.